Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time it's to put up a used safety fence around your pool. Now I bought the safety fence off of Facebook Market. It was about $400, and I wanted to show you how to install it and buy new holes and pegs for it. So here we go. So a few things you'll need: a dry vac, some extension cords, a mallet, very important, a hammer drill, and then the right size drill bit to drill the hole. Now the fence comes in like 4 post panels, but you can cut them and adjust the size, but they all come in like 4 panels. And then you just buy the amount of panels you need to cover your fence or your pool. A little tip before you start is get your dry vac and fill it with water, and yeah, it just prevents all the dust that you're vacuuming up from the concrete from not going in the air and just hitting the water, and then it makes it for easier cleaning. So I started drilling a hole kind of like at the edge of the main walkway concrete. One of the tips is to start where the entry point is to the pool. That has the more space to adjust the length at the end, and then you just start by drilling maybe about a few inches away from the base there, from the edge, and then you go from there, and then I'll show you how to drill the next hole. To find the distance for the next hole, you basically go and stretch it out to as far as it can go, and then what you want to do, the trick is to kind of angle it on a little bit there, about ½ an inch from where it needs to be straight, and then you mark it with a Sharpie pen so you know where you're going to drill. And because what the idea is to get it nice and tight, the bottom part to be nice and tight, so you want it straight and maybe ½ an inch from where it goes. So you want to angle it a little bit there so it slides in and it's a nice tight fit. So you get the pegs. You'd have to order new pegs from Amazon. I'll send a link on the bottom of the comment there. You basically get a pack of these pegs. They go in here. Then you take your mallet, just it's in there, and then the posts go and stick in there. Right, once you've drilled your last hole, you basically go from about a few inches, about 3 inches from the other hole. Get a Sharpie pen, and then you kind of just mark. You mark approximately about there. That's where you're going to drill the next hole. So again, you'll need a hammer drill. You can't really drill concrete without a hammer drill. It would be really painful if you didn't have one of these. You start by initially drilling a little bit of a pilot hole. Once you get that established, then you have to really go straight down. Try not to go on an angle, or you'll get the post going on an angle. So place the other panel peg there, and then it clips on with these hooks here that comes with the fence. And if you're missing them, you'll probably have to order new ones here, but these clips kind of hook on and they keep the top part together. Okay. So my regular hammer drill, Mastercraft, is not very good, but my regular hammer drill wasn't very good. It got to about almost 3/4 away, and it kind of just conked out on me. So one rule of thumb, get a proper hammer drill for this job. Fortunately, my neighbor loaned me his professional level concrete hammer drill. Look at this bad boy. And man, it cuts the holes like 10 times as fast. I wish I had this sooner, and I would have done the job so much faster. So if you can, rent a proper concrete drill to do this job. It'd make it so much easier. My hands have been in pain for a couple of days, and this would have helped out a lot. So once you get to the final panel, you can cut the mesh fencing to the right length by unscrewing it from the pole, then placing the mesh plates back on. All right, I got the fence up, ready to go for the summer, and whenever I have my grandson over, I don't have to worry about him falling into the pool. These are really great, and they're really sturdy. And once you got all the parts clipped on with these lashes, they are very strong and stable. Now, one of the tips that I do want to say is I got nail polish, white nail polish. As you can see, got white nail polish, and then I marked each of these separate panels. I marked them so that when I'm putting it back up, it's easy to just know which goes with which panels goes with which. Makes it really quick and easy to put up. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe.